Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's session, we will talk about how to find 2's complement. Okay, so basically there are two methods. So I will be teaching you all both the methods, and whatever is comfortable with you all can use that method. Okay, so let's start with the first method. Okay, so in the first method, what you're going to do is, before finding the 2's complement of this binary number, okay, remember that if you add any number, if you add 0 and 1, if you add 1 and 1, what output you should be getting. Okay, so if you add 0 with 1, okay, the output will be 1, and if you add 1 with 1, the output will be 1 and 0. Okay, just remember these two. Okay, and then we'll see how to find the 2's complement of this given binary number. So whenever a question is given to you to find the 2's complement, the very first step what you're going to do is you're going to find the 1's complement. So 1's complement means what? You're going to do the ulta, you're going to take the opposite. Okay, you're going to take the opposite number. Okay, so first what we'll do, first we'll take the 1's complement. Okay, so let's see. So opposite of 1, so ulta of 1 is what it is? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 0. Okay, so once you find the 1's complement, you go to find the 2's complement. So in order to find the 2's complement, okay, so in order to find the 2's complement, you're going to add your binary number with 1. Okay, so the very first step what you're going to do, you're going to find the 1's complement of the question. Okay, and then in order to find the 2's complement, you're going to add it, you're going to add 1 to the binary number. Okay, and then you're going to apply this. Okay, so what it is? 0 plus 1 is what? It is 1. Next is what? 0, nothing is over here, so this is going to come as it is. Similarly, 1 will come as it is, 0 will come as it is, 1 will come as it is, and 0 will come as it is. Okay, so this is nothing but the 2's complement of the given number. Okay, so this is how you need to solve. Okay, so I'll take one more example. Okay, so I've taken one more example over here to make you all understand this more properly. Okay, so in order to find the 2's complement of this binary number, what you're going to do, the very first step is to find the 1's complement. Okay, so 1's complement means what? You're going to take the ulta. Okay, you're going to take the ulta of this number. Okay, opposite. So what it is? 0, it is 1, it is 1, here it is 0, it is 1, 1 and 0. Okay, so this is the 1's complement of the given binary number. So in order to find the 2's complement, what you're going to do? You're going to add the binary number with 1. So what it says? 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 1 and 0. So basically what you're going to do? 1 plus 1, it is 0, and this 1 I am writing it over here. This 1 I am writing it over here. 1 plus 1 is 1 and 0. If you want, you can write it on top also, no problem. Okay, I am just writing it over here. Next, again 1 plus 1 is what? Again 10. So here it is 0, and here I am going to write 1. So again 0 plus 1 is what? 1. Then it is again nothing is there down. So again 1, the 0 will come as it is. Okay, so this is how you need to find the 2's complement. First you're going to find the 1's complement of the given number, and then you're going to add 1 to it, and you're going to find the 2's complement. Okay, so this was your first method. Okay, so now coming to the second method. Okay, second method is very easy. Okay, so I'll just teach you all a shortcut method how to find 2's complement. Okay, and this method too is very time saving during your exams, so I will prefer you all go for the method 2, but whatever is comfortable with you all can go for the method. Okay, so what you're going to do in method 2 is you're going to start with from the least significant bit. Okay, so this is my most significant bit, right? Okay, so this is my most significant bit, and this is my least significant bit. So I'm going to start from my least significant bit. Okay, so this was just for your understanding. Okay, so I'm going to start from the end. Okay, and what I'm going to do, in order to find the 2's complement, I'm directly going to find, there is no need to find 1's complement, nothing. What you're going to do is, you're going to copy the numbers as it is until and unless you find a 1. Once you find 1, you're going to take the ulta. Okay, so what I meant was, see, you're going to copy the numbers as it is. Okay, so 0 I'm going to copy as it is. Again 0 I'm going to copy as it is. Now what I have done, what is happening over here? Now here I have encountered what? 1. So again that 1 also I am going to copy as it is. But after 1, whatever number is there, you are going to take the ulta. Okay, so ulta of 0 is what? It is 1. And ulta of 1 is what? It is 0. This is how you need to find the 2's complement. Okay, so this is far easier than method 1. Okay, so I'll take one more problem. Okay, so you have taken one more example how to find the 2's complement. Okay, so as I told you, what did I tell you? In order to find the 2's complement, you're going to start from the least significant bit and you're going to write the numbers as it is until and unless you encounter a 1. After 1, whatever number comes, you're going to take the opposite. You're going to take the ulta numbers. Okay, so here what is happening? Here at the very first start, I'm getting 1. Okay, and what I'll tell you, once you have encountered 1, after that whatever comes will become what? The opposite. Okay, so here I have encountered once, I've written as it is. After that what you're going to write? It will be the ulta. So the opposite of 1 is what? 0. Opposite of 0 is 1. Opposite of 1 is 0. Opposite of 0 is 1 and opposite of 1 is 0. Okay, so this is nothing but the 2's complement. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Okay, so this is how you need to find the 2's complement making use of this 2 method. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. Yeah, so if you have any doubts, you all can leave a comment. Yeah, thank you.